Hello, my dear friends. Today, when you're decluttering, I want you to start small. If this is new to you and it's overwhelming, start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Declutter the size of a banker's box. If you don't know what that is, it's a smallish box. And set your timer for 15 minutes. Don't say, I'm going to declutter this whole room. That's way overwhelming. Even if you think you're going to declutter this whole room in 15 minutes, it's still overwhelming. Start small. So today, when you're decluttering, let's say we're working in the living room, because that is the zone we're in, the living room, and you want to declutter the electronics, and you open up that cabinet and there's just wires everywhere. Start smaller. So I'm going to declutter this shelf. Okay? So start small, keep it contained, change your attitude about it. Don't overwhelm yourself. It's not a mountain, it's just a little hill. Have a great day.